it's a long time since I made my last video because I was busy at school, but I'm back and I will show to you how to make these beautiful booties. Size about 12 to 13 centimeters. For decoration I will use this beautiful flower and wool yarn, what's made in Finland. Colors are up to you. And 3 millimeters crochet hook and 2 to 3 millimeters knitting needles. So let's start. So let's start with chain 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Single crochet into second stitch from the hook into next 18 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. 6 single crochet into the last stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Single crochet into next 17 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. And 2 single crochet into the last stitch. 1 and 2. And next round. Every time before next round we make slip stitch and chain 1. First single crochet we make into same stitch, 1, and single crochet into next 20 stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, and 2 single crochet into next 3 stitches. 1 and 1 more, 2 and 1 more into same, and 3, and single crochet into next 18 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18, and 2 single crochet into next 2 stitches. Actually, last stitch is not a stitch, but the space between last round stitch and the next round, but because it looks more beautiful, I use it in my pattern. And slip stitch and chain 1 before the next round. Next round. If it's difficult to follow, you can find description on my blog. Single crochet into next 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Half double crochet into next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3, and double crochet into next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 2 double crochet into next 6 stitches. 1 and second into same, and 2 into same, 3, 1 more into same, 4, 5, and 6, and 1 more into same, and double crochet into next 7 stitches the same way like the other side. Double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and half double crochet into next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3, and single crochet into next 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and 2 single crochet into next 2 stitches. 1 and 2, and single crochet into next 2 stitches, stitch and the space. 1 and 2, and 2 more rounds. Single crochet into next 11 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and half double crochet into next 3 stitches. 1, 2, oops, 2 and 3, and double crochet into next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and 2 double crochet into next 3 stitches. 1, and 1 more, 2 and 1 more, 3 and 1 more into same, and double crochet into next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 2 double crochet into next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3, and double crochet into next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and half double crochet into next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3, and let's see, I think 12 single crochet into next 12 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, and 2 single crochet into next 2 stitches, 1 and second one into same stitch, and 2 and 1 more, and single crochet into next 2 stitches, 1, 2 and 2 single crochet into space before next round, 1 and 2, and slip stitch, chain 1 before the last round, slip stitch and chain 1. And very easy next round. Just single crochet all around the base. Just do it, make another base, and I will show to you the next step. So just single crochet into each stitch around. So I have also made 2 bases, and we are going to connect these 2 bases together by slip stitch. I think I have made some mistake and I have more stitches in the other base, but it's not a problem. If you do, just hide it by skipping 1 stitch if you have an extra one. Just put bases together with wrong sides and slip stitch together. Do not make too tight because it will be very difficult next round if you do. Just pull the yarn out a little. Do not leave it too hard. And when you are done, just cut the yarn, but do not cut it too short because we are going to connect a middle of base together also. It's up to you, of course. If you want, you can leave it like it is. Just do it and I will show you the next step. I have connected these 2 bases together. Actually, you don't need to make 2 if you don't want to, but it will be more warm and nice looking, I think, if you do. So if you do make 2, just connect these 2 bases together also in the middle. Just pull the yarn from previous round, that's why I left it more long, and connect it in the middle of base. You can do it, of course, different ways, but I do it like this. The base is ready, so let me show to you how to make the top of this beautiful booty. I'm going to use a different color, orange, but it's up to you what color you are going to use for your booty. Let's connect the yarn in the middle stitch. It will be back of the booty. Just pull the yarn, fix it, and pull the yarn, and chain 3. double crochet all around the base. This is not going to be easy, but it's only one round. Double crochet all around and hide the yarn. And next round is not easy to explain, so just watch. I think I made a small mistake. Chain 2 instead of chain 3. We always chain 3 when we work with double crochet. Just remember, slip stitch and chain 3 counts like first double crochet. Two next rounds we are going to make this way. Pull yarn around double crochet from the front into spaces between double crochet of previous round. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull the yarn, next double crochet we do the same but the opposite side, from the inside. And again, insert the hook from the front round double crochet and from the inside. You can turn if it's more easy to do. And we need to repeat 2 rounds. We do this round, then we join by slip stitch and chain 3. Here we are going to slip stitch and chain 3 and insert the hook from outside here. Just do second round and I will show you next step. Next step, we are going to create stitches to the knitting needles, and you can do it 2 different ways. With the hook, 1, 2, 3 or 4 stitches same time, or with a knitting needle like I do this. Maybe it's not more easy, but 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. We need to have 15 stitches on the back side needles, and the rest of stitches we are going to leave to the front side needles. So 15 to the back side and rest of stitches we are going to leave to the front of booty. So here is my booty, back side and front side of booty. I have 15, 15 and 20 and 20 stitches. We are going to purl all around, but these 4 stitches we are going to knit every single time around, like purl all around and 4 stitches knit in the front. You can mark these 4 stitches if it's more easy to remember. So just purl around. I'm doing this different way. I don't know if it's wrong way, but usually people take yarn from up side. I'm doing this from down side. Like 1, 2, 3, just purl it around. And I will show you the next step. So we purled all last round, and now we are going to do different way. We are going to knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, and all around, but not 4 front side stitches. So we are going to knit, purl, knit, purl, and 2 next stitches we are going to knit together. We are going to reduce 1 stitch both sides of knit 4. So we are going to do it both sides every round until we have 10 stitches, but not this way because it will look ugly. Here you can see how it look like on a ready booty. So we are going to do this way because it will look more nice. 1, 2, 3, and 2 together. And opposite side we do it opposite way, like this, and 4. And because I don't know what I'm going to do next, knit or purl, I'm counting stitches from the back because I know this is knit. So there is going to purl and knit, purl, 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 2, 2, 2, purl, 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 more purl, 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 and knit. So I'm going to knit next stitch, and next round you are going to see. So just do it until you have 10 stitches. Reduce 10 times 10 rounds. So I have now 10 stitches on the front side needles and 15 stitches on the back side needles. Not so pretty yet, but we are going to knit next 12 rounds. Before you can change the color before you start to knit these 12 rounds. It's up to you. So I have made it like this. Orange, green, orange and green. It's up to you, however you like. So just knit these 12 rounds. It's almost done, and I will show you how to start next round. And now it's done, 12 rounds, and we are going to bind off if you don't know how to do it. I have done it already around, so just knit two together. Just move the stitch back to the other needle and knit two together. And just repeat all around. Two together, move it back, and two together. And now you can cut the yarn, make it a little longer to fix the yarn. This is going to be hide, nobody is going to see it, but we still are going to hide this yarn. So just pull the yarn and pull it one more time like this, and then we are going to hide and fix it. Usually I'm doing this 3 times. We don't want it to show up after washing or whatever kids do with booties. One more time. Pull the yarn round stitch, fix it, and one more time. You can cut the yarn, or you can use this needle. Maybe it's more easy to hide. I'm using it when I make some crochet, but not for knitting. So this round is done. Now you can switch the color if you want. You can make like I did, green, orange, and actually we are done. I'm not going to show all these steps because we are going to repeat all these steps. Like here is knit 12. I'm going to show you next step how I'm going to create stitches, and then we are going to knit purl, and we are going to create 15 stitches on the back side needles and 10 stitches on the front side needles, and knit purl, 4 rounds. Then we are going to knit 10 rounds again, and we can change the color. One more time we create stitches we knit purl, 4 rounds, and 12 rounds we are going to knit. And last one, or you can make how many rounds you want, but last one round I was counting 20 rounds by knit purl, or you can do it a different way. You can knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, or knit 2 and purl 2, however you want. Just try it out. So here we are done, and next round we are going to create stitches to the knitting needles. So change color if you want to. This we are going to cut later, and we are going to watch where is the middle. I'm starting usually with back of booty. Somewhere here is middle, and we create stitches somewhere in a start of knit 12, the first or second round of knit 12. So just look where is back, somewhere here. You can see these stitches. Here it is, and just insert the needle, pull the yarn, fix it, we can hide it later. And here is our first stitch. It's like 1. Oh, it's difficult to see in a start. Just try to make it same row. It's okay if there is some mistake. So 3, here is 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Just make it 15. It looks pretty nice. Just check out that it's on the same row. 10, 10, and 15. And we are done. Thank you for watching. Best prize for this free video is your like, comment, share or subscribe for more free videos. Enjoy and choose your own colors. You can change this pattern, make it more longer. So see you on the next video. Bye bye.